Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good day to everyone watching this right now. And my name is Olutu Okoyemi, and I'm just here to show you an HR officer level 2 work that is available in Manchester, in United Kingdom. Now, this is an HR officer level 2, and it has sponsorship and it has work permit. Now, just stay tuned to this. Says the job benefit as UK sponsorship. That's 100, like guaranteed. So working hours is 35 hours per week. And it's not a bad one, really. It's not a bad one. Looking at it, the pay is above um it's between 30,000 to 33,000 plus pounds per year. So it's a good one. Now the duties is to review and manage employees visa extension and issuing of certificate of sponsorship. You can imagine you are coming to take up a job that involves you issuing people certificate of sponsorship, and now the same company is giving you sponsorship. So they are actually employing you for a role. I don't know. They are employing you for a role that will make you an employer. Permit me to use that word. They are not directly employing, but you are issuing this thing. You're actually on a big role. It's a very, very big role. Now you're going to provide guidance to employees who require visa extension on compliance requirements and application process in accordance with UK VI policy and guidance. You're going to assessing the eligibility of both a prospective and existing employee request for visa sponsorship. Guys, this is hot. Ensuring that appropriate policies, procedures, and system comply with the UK VI immigration rules and meet audit requirements. Lastly, training and updating managers on changes made to the organization's policy procedures, including UK VI rules. Now, about the candidates. We are looking for candidates who understand immigration, employment law practice, and processes to support the administration of skilled workers, sponsorship, and rights to work checks. The successful candidate will have to one, have a good understanding of recruitment process and experience of processing skilled worker sponsorship request. This thing is not a big deal. You can be in Nigeria and you know all of this. If I'm in Nigeria right now, I can tell you that I know all of this. Now, if you are somebody that has made information online, you have tried to, you know, relocate at one point or the other, you will understand how all of these things works. You will. You will. Definitely you will. Then apart from that, maybe software or applications, and I don't think there's any serious software to this. It's just there's always a website for licensed employer to actually get all of this information from. It's just a communication between the employer and um, and the home office for them to release the COS. So it's not that you are doing so much work. You're just going to be doing a lot of HR job, putting the details, the contact, the informations of the people that need sponsorship and all. It's not a big work really. Two, you need to have the ability to communicate clearly and effectively with stakeholders at all levels of organization, both verbally and writing, and play a crucial role in ensuring candidates have a positive impression of Manchester. You have good analytical skills and proficient. You can see you just need your Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. Sincerely, if you are someone that, in fact, an average person should be able to use all of this software. Experience of using the sponsorship management system. That is what I'm talking about. There will be a system where you have to be inputting details for each person, data analysis working, and stakeholders and providing training. These things are not difficult things. However, let me say that this position is actually for people that are outside UK and in UK, because if you can prove your availability and your understanding of these things, sincerely, you'll be able to get this job. There's user sponsorship for this job. And guys, if you know that you have somebody in Manchester, you have somebody in the UK that is good for this role, please just send them this link and let them apply for this job. The application link will be in the comment section. So please share to people around you, people you know will be able to embrace it. So it's a good day, guys. I want you to have a great day. Trust God for miracles. because miracle no dey tire Jesus. So let's keep trusting God. See you in my next video. Bye. Yeah.